Alright, this is the Harbor Freight tire changer. Can go through real quick how to do this. So you want to mount this to something sturdy. I have it mounted to a 4x4 here, and then drop your tire onto it. The first thing we're going to do is remove the Schrader valve using a Schrader tool, or you can cut this off and replace it, however you want to do it. So you're just going to put that in there and twist that out. Take your Schrader valve out, see the condition. If it's good, keep it. If it's not, replace it. Okay, next thing we're going to do is drop the platter in, and the two silicone bushings, screw in the top here. Then we need to break the bead. So using this side of the tool, so. Just make sure we got this right, like this. You have all your pins here. You can adjust this pin in 3 different holes, but we should be able to get it. So you want to put it there and then just break the bead. Going around, making this look easier than it is, like that. This is, we just freshly put this tire on backwards, like idiots.
So we're just fixing
spin
it.
this around. You have to break the bead on the second side. Take the tire, put it around, drop the platter, the washers, voila. Okay, same idea. Break the bead. Please don't whack the camera around a lot, Austin.
Sorry.
Okay, same idea. Press the bead out. Like I said, this one was just recently done, so it's not nearly as hard as it usually is. Okay, so that's all done. Put your pin. Okay, maybe this will work. Let your bead. Take this part. Come up above here, please. So you want to push that down until it pops. Then you're going to lift it up like this.
Around.
Pushing this down at the same time, tire comes right off. So
now we have the side.
The same idea. Get and we're just gonna spin. Like this. Okay.
And it slides right off.
Okay, so now we need to flip the tire around because we put this tire on backwards. Okay, so one side, spin it around, lubricate the other side. Okay, so now we'll put the tire starting to put on using this side, the tool. I'm gonna drop it on here. Get up and in here. Okay. Can you see inside here or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna spin this tool around like this. As it's going around, you'll seat the bead.
So just
Push
kind of
this down as you go. You see how it pops right on?
Yep.
Okay. It's the same thing. You want to get, and they want to see that bead bad. Okay. You want to get as much as you can on. Same thing. Twist this around like so. Okay, now that it's getting stuck, you want to press down on this part, the other side of the tire, as much as you can.
Oh, kind of slipped out that time.
It's fine. Okay, just like that. And done.
That was easier than it was last time.
It takes practice. Okay, when it's coming around and the tire is getting stuck on this side, you have to push this down as much as you can, because the top of this rim is up and it'll pull too tight on here. But if you push this lower, it goes into the groove and it'll allow it to seat. So that was what we learned the hard way. It's going to take a lot of cursing and broken nails But
And
once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy.
And crushed thumbs at some cases.
Yeah, crushed thumbs weren't fun either. Clean the beads to make sure nothing's on them. We'll see if we can seat the bead without high pressure. Just sometimes you have to use high pressure to get the bead to seat properly, and sometimes it just works. So read your rim. It should tell you how many PSI you need to put it at to seat. Up to possibly, 25 will do it. It says don't go over 32. So we'll put the valve back in.
So we'll do about 30 PSI.
I don't even think we need to go that high. We already put the other one on. It seemed to seat easier than that. Mainly you'll see the bubbles coming out. Don't over tighten the Schrader valve. Just past sperm is fine. And we're gonna just put that on there. Tell her.
About 29.
No, we'll just do 20.
Okay.
So we still see bubbles coming out. So you want to just kind of pound it around. Now, always double check your tires now are in the right direction. They are. See how they're both going this way? Valve's on that side. Valve's on that side. I missed that. Okay. So we'll take another look. It looks like they're seating okay. Now we'll take the PSI back down. Don't leave it overfilled. So once we think we have close, we'll check it. We're at 11 and a half, almost there. I guess we're there because it doesn't even want to put air in it. Okay, that's it. Just check your tire, make sure. I just did this one earlier, so we're going to double check that it's holding pressure properly. Yep, it's still good. So you just want to press it up so that it gets a nice seat on the bead. And you can drop your Schrader valve back in, like so. And we'll just turn it back in.